For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Hey family, come on a journey with me while I make my new signature cocktail called Blue Ocean Passion using Belaire Bleu. So let's go. All the information and ingredients will be down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. First, let's grab and pop open our Belaire Bleu. Let's add in some aesthetics by decorating our glasses with some frozen grapes. Now let's pour in a couple of ounces of champagne into all our glasses. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. Next, we're going to add in some berry flavored Italian soda. I got this bottle from Whole Foods, but you could get it from any grocery store. We're going to keep the blue theme rolling and add in some Blue Ocean lemonade. Isn't that pretty? Now it's time to add in a little bit more fizz with some lemon lime soda. And lastly, top your glasses off with some more champagne. Make sure to fill it to the rim. Add in some grapes for garnish, and now we have a sexy cocktail. Remember, you can make this drink without alcohol. Just substitute it with some Italian soda. Well, thank you guys for watching, family, and stay tuned until the next episode. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.